EffoLogic.
Welcome to EffoLogic, Central India's leading SME consulting company. We empower micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, to achieve their goals through our expert consulting services. From project finance to corporate finance, working capital, subsidies assistance, management consulting, and other hand-holding services, we support MSMEs across diverse industries such as food processing, pharma, auto ancillary, renewable energy, logistics and warehousing, hospitality, and manufacturing. As an ISO-certified company, we ensure the highest standards of quality and excellence in our services. With over 500 projects successfully completed, we've established ourselves as trusted partners for MSMEs in Central India. We've raised over 1,000 crores of funds under various schemes for these projects, empowering MSMEs to grow and thrive. Whether it's a new project or expansion of existing business, join hands with EffoLogic and take your business to new heights. Contact us today to learn more about our services.
EffoLogic.